Sir, tell me, have you gone through session notes?
Yeah, no problem with session notes. I had a glance.
Okay, you had a glance of it, right?
Yeah.
Fine. So today's topic, sir, first of all, tell me something about yourself. Where are you from? What do you do?
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Sudhir Patel. I am from Jalgaon, Maharashtra, and
Okay.
it is the second time I am subscribing Clapingo, and it is my first lecture with you.
Okay. So today's topic is imagine yourself as a news reporter, right?
Yeah. Mm.
Okay, so basically, I'll be asking you some questions regarding
Okay.
this particular situation that, you need to suppose that you are a news reporter,
News
okay?
reporter. Okay.
Now, imagine yourself as a news reporter and try reporting some breaking news. Take 2 minutes. Take 2 minutes and
Okay.
think.
Uh,
And once you're ready, we can start.
no, I'm ready. Means breaking news related to what? Any.
Anything. Breaking news can be related to anything.
Okay.
Yeah, breaking news, see, breaking news can be related to anything. That is completely fine. It can be related to anything.
Okay, ma'am. Can I start?
Yes, please, if you are ready.
Sudhir Patel, I'm speaking. I'm a news reporter from Current News Channel, and today I'm sharing with you one news that related to political leaders. Most of the time, we see that political leaders use the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj name. They says that they worshiping Shivaji Maharaj, and they elect the election with. Uh, uh, get using Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj names, and they say that they are a great devotee of Shivaji Maharaj. But I have a question for them. Shivaji Maharaj had a great quality in with them, and they have a they were honest, they were brave, they were work for their people, work for their rules. But our political leaders, what quality they inherit from the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj? They only use their names, but they didn't inherit their qualities in them. So I I am I am claiming you to please, whenever you go to be for voting, so ask to your political leaders what they uh, will do for will do for you, because if they don't have any quality of like honesty or working for people, so I think they will not work for you. So if they are saying that they are a great devotee of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and they use their names, so I have only one point. If they are a great devotee, so only one quality they need to inherit from their life, and that is the honesty. Honest with the people, honest with the nation, honest with their work. So if they will honest, our nation will be grow definitely. So keep one thing in your mind whenever you go for voting. So ask them what they will do for their peoples and their nation. So it is a very good for our new generation, and new generation will get the benefits of all those their lives.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, wow, that's good. That's good. Because the way you spoke, it was good, and the topic that you took, it was also good. And Chhatrapati
Thank you.
Shivaji, I really idolize him. I like him.
Yes, yes. Because nowadays it's happened, man. So that's why I took this topic.
No, you took a beautiful topic.
Yeah, I I already think about that, but I thought it is a political topic. So I was thinking how to took this topic. So that's why I get some permission from your side.
That is that is great. Now
Okay.
try reporting some international news.
Hello everyone, I am Sudhir Patel. I am from Current News Channel, and today I am sharing one international news, and that is to related one book writer, and his name is Robert Kiyosaki. And now I am telling, glad to telling you, he is a good selling book selling and good book writer, author. Nowadays, I read his book Rich Dad and Poor Dad. I come to know that he is a great writer and great selling. And so today he is a top writer in his nation, and he is share a few points with his book how to be change your life journey and how to uh, uh, asset value increase your asset value in your life. It will be very helpful for you. He share lots of do's and don'ts in his books. So I think he is a very uh, loyal and big author in his nation. And now he is also telling that we also do that because he can. If he can do, why we can't do? So he is a great author. So I will definitely suggest you, if you want to read the books, select one book of, for of the Robert Kiyoshi's books. So it will be good for you. Thank you.
Okay, lovely. Now, let's talk about something else, right? Let's try reporting some entertainment news. So tell me, something
Entertainment
like that.
related to movie.
Any entertainment news. It can be related to any particular, an actor like Satish Kaushik. You must know him, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
He
Yes.
he
Yes.
demised yesterday.
Oh. Hello everyone, my name is Sudhir Patel and I am from Karan News Channel, and today I am sharing a bad news related to one actor. He was a very good actor and comedian and also good human being. He did a lots of good job, very in a very lots in lots of movies and serials. He play a good role, comedian roles, and also few bravery roles also played in his life. He was a good human being as a person, and he was also maintain all relations with others in a good. But today I am sharing news that he uh, passed away, and he uh, left us alone. And today we have only his memories behind us. So I
Okay. Now, my next question for you is, um, we are done with the entertainment news, right? Now let's talk about
okay.
something different, right? Just try recording some weather news. How will you be recording the weather? How will you be reporting the weather?
Today's climate.
Yeah, today's climate, today's weather.
Okay, now friends, today's weather is a very sunny and there is no clouds in our city. But before 2 days before, there was a clouds and there was a lightning and thundering, and there was a chances to be heavy rain. But fortunately, it didn't happen. But now today is sunny, and it is a great climate for us and our health also, because nowadays it is a summer. It is not a rainy days for rain, so we need a rainy season. And today it's a sunny, so that's why today's climate is a sunny climate. There is no clouds in our side, so there is no chances to be heavy rain. Thank you.
Okay, fine, lovely. Now, last one is, try reporting some sports news. So, any sports headline.
Sports. Okay. Hello, hello everyone. Now today I'm sharing a sport news related to cricket. cricket news. I today there is a cricket match, legends cricket match, and I saw a Sachin Tendulkar who were our god of cricket. So he played his last match in his life. So he did well in his cricket, and today is his last match. And now after that he will do work in personal life. Now today it is a great day for us because we got the Sachin Tendulkar, Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar. Because of him, we uh, won the lots of matches, and we also won the World Cup. So our best wishes with Sachin Tendulkar, and he is such a legend cricketer in our cricket team. So for best wishes for him. Thank you.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. I'll quickly give you the feedback, sir. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Firstly, you spoke very good. Your content was
Okay.
fine. You know,
Okay, ma'am.
I just want you to work upon two things. Okay. Firstly,
Okay.
work upon your vocabulary. Secondly, work upon your emotions. Right? Because while
Okay.
you're expressing something, so it should be visible on your face and in your voice as well. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Take care,
Ma'am,
sir. All the best.
ma'am, I'm sorry,
Yes.
sorry.
Yes. Please, please, please.
I have question. Please give me introduction from your side.
Oh,
I
so
only know
sorry, I
your
forgot that.
name.
My name is Sonali Naik. I'm an assistant
Yeah.
professor
Okay.
and I'm from Bhopal.
Okay. Bhopal.
Yes, Bhopal,
Okay.
capital of
Okay, ma'am.
MP.
Thank you. Yeah, yeah. I know about that. I know. Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
So please take care, sir. Okay, we'll meet in the next session.
Okay.
All the best.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Good night.
Yes. Bye bye.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night, sir.